Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got another unbagging for you. Now, of course, before I get into the unbagging, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please make sure you do all the YouTube things, like, comment, share if you want. But most of all, please subscribe if you haven't already. So, let's get into this unbagging. So this comes to me from DPClubs, and I just want to say thank you to Emily for sending these to me to share with everyone. I do appreciate it. Let's see. What did I get? All right. So this is, let me see. Yeah. This is called Little Girl on a Snowy Night. And we have got your regular toolkit. It's got 2 things of wax, a green boat, and a pink single placer pen. And that is all that you need to do the diamond painting. It has the drills. They are already pre-bagged, and they have a label on each bag that shows what number they are. Looks like to me, it looks like it shows the weight, maybe. Yeah. And then it has the canvas number on here. Great. I always take and label them anyway, though. I'll put on there, whatever I think, like if the canvas is, well, this one, since it's called Little Girl on a Snowy Night, that's what I'll label the drills. So this is the image that I got, and we are using natural light today, so I hope y'all can see this. It's a very thin canvas, not thin, but it's very pliable, I guess is what I should say instead of thin. But I seen her, and I thought she was so flippin' cute. And of course, there's purple in it, so that was a plus, because that's my favorite color. I think everybody who diamond paints, I think we all like purple. But yeah, she is a 40 by 40. There's the thumbnail if you can see it. Very sticky. She has got 20 colors, all alphabet, DMC charted, with the schematic up at the top left and on the bottom right. But can y'all see her? She is so pretty. But she has got like a little cat face up here. She's got another one right here. Her hair is just flowing, and it changes colors when we get down to here. She's got her purple hat on. You can see the like Christmas trees in the back, or I call them Christmas trees. And you can see all the snow in behind her. Sorry about that. I had to pause the video because I had a little coughing fit. Weather's changing. My sinuses are all jacked up, so I sound kind of nasally. But anyway, very, very nice, very pretty. And like I said, she is called Little Girl on a Snowy Night. She is a 40 by 40. And y'all, she was only $5.79. Is that not crazy for a size like this? DPClubs, I love their company. So, and Emily's always so nice working with us. So, there's that one. And then the last one that I got, I seen this one and I thought it was pretty also. And it's nothing that I've got in my stash. Regular toolkit. Has the same kind of drills. And I'm going to roll this one back so we can see it better. And this is... Alright, this one is called Table Castle. This is a 40 by 50, and it was $9.28. And I think it has some ABs. I'll have to look. Matter of fact, the other one might have had some ABs. I'll have to look at that one too. If not, you can add them. ABs are always fun to add to a kit. And if you don't know what an AB is, AB stands for Aurora Borealis. And it's just a special coating that they put on a regular drill to make them shine and sparkle. And yeah. So I hope y'all can see this in the camera. So again, this is a 40 by 50. Here's the thumbnail. It has 24 colors. We have all the alphabet, DMC charted, schematic on the top left, bottom right. But this is, I love doing miniatures. And if y'all have followed me, you know I do miniature dollhouse kits. But that's what this put me in mind of when I seen it, because here's the desk, and then here's a table lamp, and then you've got the castle on top. And look, you got these little ladders that is coming up. You got a little waterfall that is going off the side of the table. But yeah, you've got the moat, you've got fountain, you've got the clock in the background, and then you got the starry night. But I just love this. And then you've got your drills. And maybe this is not a... I thought it was. I thought it had ABs in it, but it may not. I don't see any. No. I think it's just a big canvas. But I was thinking it had ABs. I think you might have an option to get ABs if you wanted ABs. But the drills are pretty. Look at the green. And the blues and the different shades of blues, the purples. And then you've got some darker colors, but that's going to be your table. And then the side of the castle. But yeah, I like the fact that they have got, again, the label on there that has the canvas number. And on the drills, it tells you, the info. So I separate my drills from my canvas, so even though that info's on there, I will still write on here the name of the canvas if there is a name. If not, I just pick something off the canvas and I'll write on here, and then I'll put the canvas number on the bag of drills. So, all right. Anyway, this is the two that I got, and again, very sticky. I didn't even show y'all the drill field. Very clear. Looks really good. And there's places that are color blocked and places that are confetti. So yeah, there's no ABs in here. But still. But I didn't even show y'all her colors. But you got all these different shades of purples and blues. And then you've got some dark in there. So alright, so again, DP Clubs, Emily, thank you for sending these to me. This one is called Table Castle, $9.28. This one was called Little Girl on Snowy Night, $5.79. So, this is what I got from DP Clubs, and I will leave a link to these in my description box if they're still in stock. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you do all the YouTube-y things. And until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.